I'm lost in the middle of the road. There's only one way to go. Is up. Whoa, I'm a little better than before, and I don't see any other path. So I'ma make this motherfucker last. It's a brand new page. It's a brand new page of life. Corrupt politics got me bothered, I'm hollering. Ominous little kids cannot afford to be arguing. Spitting ridiculous little module conglomerates up in all my accomplishments. Hitting blunts of the proper shit. Shitting ridiculous riddles, bitches conspicuous. Radio killer sick of this, ain't another that's sick as this. Bitches the dickest, spitting shit and I'm ripping this mic. It's alright, cause you simple bitches is missing this. How am I doing this? Rapping art I'm pursuing. These cats is arguing foolish. I'm getting scars in medullas. I'm flipped, constantly booed, constantly wooed by the girlies, changing my world with a simple compliment too. So what am I supposed to do when I see you looking at you? And I read a book and it's true that I need a shook one to prove that I'm much more of a man than I thought I was. Swing these raps on my back and just cop my phone. Lost in the middle of the road. There's only one way to go. Is up. Whoa, I'm a little better than before, and I don't see any other path. So I'ma make this motherfucker last. It's a brand new page. It's a brand new page of life. Following dominant, making all of them hotter. The women are very bothered, I spit it off for the dominant. Ronald McDonald, they're getting cheese and I'm proud of it. On your knees, I'm out of it. People please get the comma, bitch, cause I'm a king, I reign the world. My flow is coffee that's spilling, I stain the world. And if you want to remain, never change for a girl. I spit it smarter than brains that remain uncurled. I've seen so many pains and chains that's untamed. This game with bad luck, you fucked and ungained. I'm stuck, I'm insane, I'm not to be maintained. I'm drug circulating throughout to your main vein. And fuck, I'll never gain this lust, never again. So I must try to refrain from the trust God in me plain. Cause see, I'm really only just a man or a kid. I'm trapped, constantly hid, cause the fact is undid. I'm lost in the middle of the road. There's only one way to go. Is up. Whoa, I'm a little better than before, and I don't see any other path. So I'ma make this motherfucker last. It's a brand new page. It's a brand new page of life.